Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny Tamil. In our last video, we talked about how to registration form of hotel management system. Registration form consists of hotel name, images, description, and status. These are the following fields. Okay, don't worry. I have after done this system, I will be provide all the source code. You will be able to use them in your project. Okay, so you have to understand the scenario well. Okay, so how to fill up this registration form? You can see here you have fill up the registration form. Click register button. Click register button. What happen is it goes to the route. It goes to the route we have to access. What is the hotels controller store action method? So here the routes mean here the routes. The route will be working like this way. Hotel controller store action method mean it goes to over here. Here we have to this method I haven't created yet. So this method I already did my project. So this method I have to implement it over here. So first you have to understand how to implement this method, how to store the images and what. Okay. So here this is a method. So this method I'll be explain the step-by-step process. Don't worry. Here this method we are used to store the images. Okay. So once you add the data into the database, first you have to validate the images. That's a must. First you have to validate the images. So here once you browse the data, so here we have to do another simple stuff. This is the image uploading stuff. Okay, if you have any problem with the image uploaded, the image is uploaded into this public folder. So where's the storage app inside the public, here where is a directory is available. So okay, how to store the images? So you can see here I'm going to give the image. You can go to my site. Okay, so here this is my official website. You can search here image upload, Laravel image upload. So you can see here the process Laravel image. You can check over here. There is a few click search. Just here the image uploaded stuff will be there. So here if you click on this one of this, the same process we are do over here as well. Here image upload, here all the things are available. Image upload, Laravel 11, 10, all things are there. So here you have to, so this coding should be little bit different. So this coding I have did this same thing. We have did it. So here what I'm going to do is we have to call this, we have to run this coding. PHP artisan storage link. You have to link it. Then only it will link it to the storage folder. Here PHP artisan storage link. First you have to make the link. Okay. So if first you have to make the link while you store the images. So press enter key. This is the path where it will be set into the storage folder. This folder I'm going to upload all the images. So here you can see that the path is here public storage. It link as here. It's a public folder here. The link here as you have to click the directory. Okay, so here once you browse the image here, it will be the type is file. So this is a file. This is a type is file. Type is file. So here the type is file, and after that click submit button. What happen is it goes to the store action method. Store action method means goes over here, receive all the data over here, request. Here first you have to validate all things, the name, the description, status and image, all things it will be validated. After validate things, after that it will be going to validate the image. The image mean it will be passing. First you have to check it whether data is coming or not. So let me comment it. This one comment it. Sorry, don't comment. You have to test it here. D here this request. Okay, let's test it. Okay, first you have to file or save out. Now here you can notice that once you upload the image, you have to write this one n type, nc type, multi-part form data. This is the attribute we are using to store the image. Okay, this is the part you have to implement it here in every form while you uploading the image. If you are not implemented, you can't upload the image. It's a multi-part. Image is the multi-part one. So that we have to call this method. Now let's run it. This already project is running. Now let's see here. Okay. The hotel store action. Hotel store here. It goes to hotel controller store action method. Hotel controller store action. This hotel controller store action method here. So here what I'm going to do is here we have to do the simple things. We haven't put it that one. Here this name you have to be not specify that name, particular name. Identify the controller here, this one, this name. You have write this name. So this one here, this how we have to call it here, this name. Store, hotel store. So when the route is coming to here, first you have to look at which route. This route is, this name is there. This goes to the hotel controller store action method. So here over here, store hotel controller store action method. So get the image. So let's check it. Now let's check it. Now it's working. Now let's hotel royal. Some of the images, hotel images. Some of the hotel images, you have to put it here. This description, active, click register button. So you can see here the request data is coming. Here the name, token, royal, the description, which is a description is there, status is there, all things are coming. But what's the image is not passing? What's the problem? I think we haven't. We have to see here. We haven't. The storage is not browsing. The image also they are not there. So anything. Okay, this image is an image. So here what I did here is you have to simply we made a mistake here. This attributes a name image you have given here. Why it's not coming? So if some problem, so we have to check it. The Laravel storage logs, Laravel logs. You can check it on here where the image is not storing. You can check it over here. Yes. Store not defined. Route not found. So it's not what's the problem arise here. Okay, now let's check it here. This is copied. Check it back. So, images, we have get one images, description, status, register. Okay, it's working. It's working. This thing is working. Okay, it's working. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, so it's working fine. So here the thing is working fine. Don't worry, the thing is working fine. Okay, it's working here. What happens here? The storage. Here the images. Here this image is coming here. It's working. Thing is working. What I did, you have to do it. Simple. Okay, what is the process I have made it. So here image uploading, first you have to, this is the part here where you have to import the image. So first you have what I did here, image uploading stuff. First you have to input type file, you have to implement the file. So here nc type multi-part. After that we have to call this one, which one, php artisan storage link. You have to link it. The storage folder, where is your storage folder link, it automatically detect the link. So it's a public folder, images here, it's coming. After that your code is, you have to write the code like this, simple code. First you have to get all the data. First you have to, we need all the data, it will be required. After that image attribute is coming over here. Image means this one, this image name, it is coming, it passing to here. It check whether the image is valid or not. after that it getting here, it will set the path images folder public images public folder. It set the path directory. After that it will be images passing to here. After the hotel create this validate method, it will be passing here. This so the hotel is created successful. We have to create the message. That's the thing we have to check. Okay. So I hope you have understand the things well.